at my spot. Behind you, dude. Oh, wait.
Got fish, baby. Come on.
Hold up out that water. Oh, big old sheepers. Dang, that's Drew liking right there. That's a slab. Man, look at Drew. What is It's a pot-licking food, man, I tell you.
Hey, was my camera on?
Hey, every time I come to the house, I should say, come on. Take it. Take it. That's what we should call him.
My phone.
Hello?
Tell her my phone went out.
Rashad broke his phone.
Tell her the screen went out. By 20, 19 and a half.
Fucking no.
Another sheephead. Another sheephead.
Oh,
yep.
Oh, another big old sheepy.
Big old sheepy. That boy Drew, pot-licking, boy.
Appreciate it.
That boy pot-licking. I got it. Oh, that's a red. That's a red.
That's it?
Oh, that's keeper.
That's keeper.
What you trying to do?
Good boy.
Drew trying to get on the board. On the board. Bring him this way. Oh, he might be legal.
Close.
He might. He might be legal. Rat-a-tatter. Rat-a-tatter, chatter-patter. Hey, hit me a shrimp, Rashad. Put him on the ruler. See what he is. Let's get that out the way. Ah, he's short. He's short. 19. Damn, why you didn't put him in the camera? There he is. Ooh. Oh, he pulling some drag too, boy. Turn my phone down. That's red. Nah, big old sheephead. Oh, wow. Hold on. Bro, look at that boy screaming drag. Look. He come all the way to the boat and then screamed off. Come on. Hold on, Rashad. Hold on. It's calling your camera. Hold on. Okay. Dang. Bro. Come on, man. Stop playing with my fish, man. Hey, man. Stop playing with my fish. Dang, that boy fat. Big old sheepy. Here, take this picture.
Lining up.
Huh?
Lining up.
About 21. Here, Rashad, open it. Box him.
Hell yeah, that's all morning. I've been wanting
Hey, you gonna get some food, bro?
Nah, I ain't gonna get food. I've been wanting one of these mugs. Boom with the right car.
Dang, hey, that one got some. He got some meat on it, boy. I ought to get that drone out, huh?
Nah, that's gonna take it, man.
Nah, it ain't. You got a fight on you, boy. Let me get this drone out. Hold on.
Get the net, get the net. It's right here.
Let me get the net. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Probably a big old bull.
Yeah. Oh, you gonna keep fighting? Just keep pressing on it.
Hey, look, they still over there.
Come on, he is heavy.
It's a dolphin.
Oh, shit.
Watch the motor. Keep him away from the motor. Oh, what he got?
I don't know. Yeah, he probably got a big ass red.
They still over there. Come on, man, get that thing out of the water. We trying to get out of the way.
Big now.
There you go, Rashad.
Dang. Huh?
Damn.
Watch that trolling motor.
Yeah, it's a big bull.
Come on, son. It's gonna be my baby.
Big old bulls on them. On the birds.
Yep.
This is gonna be my
Ooh!
It's my Yes, sir.
Hey, come on, let's go. Hey, let's go. Hey. Where my pole at, goddamn? Hold on, y'all. We on the school of reds. We done found the school. Hey, y'all better put y'all a spoon or something, no?
I got another one in there.
That's what he throwing.
Hey, he caught. Hey, that boy. Boom, he hit that. Reds running.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Hold on, let me see where they at. Pick that trolling motor up. Pick the trolling motor because it's catching draft. Big old bull. Go ahead, Tego. It's off. Huh? Go ahead. Hold on, hold on. Rashad just caught a big bull. We chasing him. The bird's dropping.
Yeah, that's what I had on my line. So you got tangled in the old buddy line.
What's going on, you guys? Hey, man. Today was a slow, crazy day. What's going on right here? You know, big old sheephead. Rashad caught Rashad caught a red in the birds. You know how we got a couple videos of we chasing the birds and then we catch a ladyfish. That's why before he cast it out, he was like, I'm about to catch a Texas tarpon. That boy, I said, oh, that's that man. Man, what a day. What a day, man. Drew ain't been fishing a couple weeks. He was just happy to catch a fish. Teco, I don't know, Teco, what you?
El Cameron.
Cameron. Hey, man, if you ain't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, man. Comment, hit the like button, hit the bell, man. Follow us, man. We got a lot more content coming soon. I think next weekend, man, if the weather right, we're gonna try to go to Kima, man. Gonna see what we can do. We ain't been to Kima in a while since that one time we caught on them drum, but man, we gonna see what we can do, man. Hey, like I always say, hold what you got.